Oh, Yoko-san!
Bebe!
Konnichiwa!
Konnichiwa! Ah, it's camera.
Oh, wow.
Let's talk
it's
something.
Yeah, I think so. First of all, we have to do greetings. Are you ready?
Good idea.
Aye.
Konnichiwa!
Edosakura desu!
Yoko desu.
Bebe desu!
I got your question.
From where did you get that one? Okay.
First question.
Alright, please make sure you put your
Right?
cups and toothbrush. We have!
Yes!
Today, we are going to answer all of the questions that we have received.
Ah, that's good idea.
Yes, from our YouTube viewers. A
Mm.
lot of Kyaki-san is sending us questions. Thank you so much.
I got your question.
Amazing.
Yes.
From where did you get that one? Oh
From
my
you.
God.
Thank you. First question.
Alright.
Do you serve breakfast?
Yes. So in our hotel, we only serve breakfast. We have Japanese style and then the Western style breakfast. And some of our guests, when they have allergies or vegetarian, please make sure that you put that one to your reservation so that we can prepare. Yes.
Very delicious.
I think so. I love it.
So, second.
Alright.
Before check-in and then after check-out, could you keep our luggage?
Yes, of course. We love keeping luggages. Yeah! So there's no limit actually. So you can send that one from us even before you check in, and even after you check out, you can put your luggage in the front desk.
Good. Number 3.
Number 3.
Before arrival to Edosakura, can we send our luggage first?
Yeah, sure. It's very important because a lot of guests also sending their luggage. Please make sure you put your reservation name in the luggage, and also other important. Yeah, check-in date. Yeah, that's correct. Check-in date is very important.
And then also, our luggage to next our hotel, or could we send our luggage to the airport?
Yes. So we have in Japan, we have the service called Takubin. So we can help you sending that one. Please go to the front desk. And for the airport, we need actually 2 days.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
And it's very helpful to our staff if you bring the destination, the address, the telephone number.
Number 4, can we wash our clothes in a hotel?
Very good question. Yes, we do have a laundry facility. To do or to use that one, please go to the front desk. Our staff will assist you on how to use that.
Good.
Anytime's fine.
Do you have public bath?
Yes, we do have. It's very important, including the laundry actually. It's better to make a reservation, of course, with the public bath also. Yeah, please make a reservation and then just talk to the staff. Staff will show you around.
6, are the rooms non-smoking rooms?
Since this is traditional Japanese hotel, all of our rooms are non-smoking rooms. But don't you worry, we have smoking room in the first floor. If you see our video, the Edosakura tour, we do have smoking room. Yeah, only there you can smoke.
Seven,
All right.
each room has own bathroom and toilet.
Yes!
Right?
Yeah. So all of our rooms, they have their own bathtub and toilet, but some rooms don't have bathtub. instead shower room.
Okay.
So if you want to use the bathtub room, please make sure to write it on your reservation so that we can arrange.
Okay, last one, Bebe-chan.
Alright.
What are the available amenities in the room?
So in our room, we have prepared yukata, the Japanese pajama, and the toiletries. So including, we have shampoo, rinse, and then body soap. We have also in the room teas, cups, teacups, and toothbrush, hair dryer, and others. Please ask us.
How about islands?
Iron. We have!
Yes!
Please go to front desk if you need that one. Do you have other question?
Today, that's it.
That's all?
That's all.
Alright. Edosakura channel! Thank you so much for watching our videos. And then if you have any questions or comments, please write down below. And then we have also put the link for our Edosakura tour. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.
Thank you. See you soon.
See you soon.